Good morning, students. I hope you all must have completed exercise 12.1. Today we will start with a new topic, that is quadrilateral. Now, what is a quadrilateral? Quad means four, lateral means side. So, a four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Now, what are the parts of the quadrilateral? These are the four sides. So, AB, BC, CD, and DA are the sides of the quadrilateral. Then its four vertices A, B, C, and D. These are the four vertices of the quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has four angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. The line touching the opposite sides, they are called the diagonals, which we have studied earlier also. So a quadrilateral has two diagonals, AC and BD. Then adjacent sides, there it has four pairs of adjacent sides like AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DA, and DA, AB. These are the four pairs of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. Then its opposite sides are AB and CD are its opposite pairs of opposite sides. Then AD and BC are the pairs of opposite sides. Then adjacent angles, pairs of adjacent angles are angle A, angle B are adjacent angles, angle B, angle C, angle D, and angle D, angle A are pairs of adjacent angles. Now angle A, angle C are opposite angles, angle B, angle D are opposite angles. Now in this class we'll be learning about various kinds of quadrilaterals like parallelogram, trapezium, and kite. Now, what is a parallelogram? It is a quadrilateral in which the pairs of opposite sides, okay, the pairs of opposite sides are equal and parallel. There are various properties of parallelogram which you have to learn also. Okay, first is that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. Opposite angles are of equal measure, means angle A will be equal to angle C, angle B will be equal to angle D. Then the sum of adjacent angles is always equal to 180 degree. It is supplementary. Means angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Angle D plus angle A will be equal to 180 degree. Then the diagonals. Here AC and BD will be the diagonals. So diagonals of a parallelogram always bisect each other. Now let us start with exercise 12.2. First question. In the adjoining figure ABCD is a parallelogram. Complete each statement along with the definition or property used. So let us draw this parallelogram. I have just told you the properties of a parallelogram, that opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, the diagonals bisect each other, and the adjacent angles are supplementary. Only these four properties are there. So it is given here, see there 5 centimeter, here it is 120 degree, then here it is 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter, isn't it? Now we have to find out first is AD. Now AD, this one. So if BC is equal to 6 centimeter, so AD will be also equal to 6 centimeter, opposite sides of a parallelogram. So AD will be 6 centimeter. Just write down opposite sides of a parallelogram. That opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Then we come to the second one, that is DC. Now DC is equal to AB, isn't it? Now what is AB equal to? 9 centimeter. So DC will be also equal to 9 centimeter since DC is equal to AB. You have to write down like this. Then number 3, angle DCB. Angle DCB means this angle. We have to find out this angle. Now this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree adjacent angles. So if it is 120 degree, what will be this angle? This will be equal to 180. We know that angle ABC plus angle DCB will be equal to 180 degree adjacent angles, isn't it, of a parallelogram. So ABC is given 120 plus angle DCB will be equal to 180 degree, or angle DCB is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So angle DCB is equal to 60 degree. Now number 4, angle ADC. Angle ADC we have to find out. Now what is angle ADC? This angle. Now we know that opposite angles are equal. So if angle B is 180 degree, angle D will be also equal to 120 degree. So it will be equal to, angle ADC will be equal to angle ABC, opposite angles. Okay. So angle ADC will be equal to 120 degree. Then number 5, angle DAB. Angle DAB, this one, is equal to, what will be this angle? Now you see opposite angles are equal. We have already found out this equal to be 60 degree. So this will be also equal to 60 degree, opposite angles. Again, angle DAB will be equal to angle DCB, opposite angles. Now we have already found out angle DCB equal to 60 degree in the third part of this question. So angle DAB will be also equal to 60 degree. Then sixth one is OC we have to find out. Okay. Now this OC. Now we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So if OA is equal to 7 centimeter, OC will be also equal to 7 centimeter. This is equal to this. This is equal to this, because they are bisecting each other. So OC will be equal to OA. Diagonals bisect each other, that you have to write down. So OC will be equal to 7 centimeter. Then come to the seventh, OB. OB again, it is the same as that of OD, because OD is 7 centimeter. So OB will be also, 5 centimeter. OB will be also 5 centimeter. So we'll write down like this only. So OB is equal to 5 centimeter. You have to write down the property. Then we come to 8th part, measure of angle DAB. This angle DAB, measure of angle DAB plus angle CDA, means this angle plus this angle. Now we know that the sum of adjacent angles are always equal to 180 degree. So we'll just write down 180 degree because they are adjacent angles. Okay. Now let us start with question number 2. Question number 2, there are 4 parts. Consider the following parallelogram, means all are parallelograms. Okay. Find the values of x, y and z. Now here you see, since let us name this parallelogram. We should always name the figure, then it is convenient for finding the values. So I just named it as A, B, C, D and E. Now since it is a parallelogram, so AB is parallel to DC. Okay. So angle Y will be equal to 120 degree, corresponding angles. Okay. So angle B is equal to angle DC, corresponding angles. You know this. So angle Y is equal to 120 degree. Now this angle, and now we have found out angle Y 120 degree. Now we know that Z and Y will be equal because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle Z will be also equal to 120 degree. Now we have to find out x. We have already got z equal to 120 degree. We have to find out x. Now we know that the adjacent angles are always supplementary. So x plus z equals to 120 degree. 180 degree. Z we have found out as 120. So what will be x? X will be 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Now second part of the same question. Here again, this is a parallelogram. We have to find out x, y and z. So let us again name it as A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Here angle DEC is given as 100 degree. So this angle BEA will be also equal to 100 degree. Isn't it? Vertically opposite angles. Now this Z will be equal to 40 degree alternate angles. Isn't it? Because AB is parallel to DC. So Z is equal to 40 degree. Now we have got here 100-degree angle BEA as equal to 100-degree vertically opposite angles. Now we will take this triangle AEB. In this triangle we have two angles. Can we find out this angle? Isn't it? So this angle in triangle AEB, angle BAE, this angle plus BEA plus angle EBA. This three angle is equal to 180-degree, sum of three angles of a triangle. So just put the values 30 plus 100 plus EBA equals to 180, or EBA equals to 180 minus 130, that is 50-degree. Okay. Now we have found out here this angle as 50-degree. Now this angle will be equal to angle X, again alternate angles, right? So this is equal to 180, X will be equal to 50-degree alternate angles, isn't it? Now we have to find out Y. Now angle A, this angle plus angle B, this angle will be equal to 180-degree adjacent angles. Angle A is 40 plus 30. Angle B is, we have just found out, angle EBA plus Y. Now EBA is equal to 50. So 70 plus 50 plus y equals to 180 degree. A 120 plus y equals to 180 degree. A y equals to 60 degree. So we have found out all the three angles. X equals to 50 degree, y equals to 60 degree, z equals to 40 degree. In the same way, you will be completing the both the other two questions.